Hey guys, welcome back to Winding Road Magazine. I'm Tedward, and this is Colin from Aston Martin of New England in Waltham, Massachusetts, and we're lucky enough to get a nice walk around of the new Aston Martin DBX. So Colin, show us the car. What's new?
So this is it. This is the new Aston Martin DBX. This is our first SUV. We've never made one before. The first thing you'll notice when you look at this car is the wheelbase. It is 10 feet in wheelbase, so it's longer than any of its competitors. Very striking when you look at it. 22-inch wheels fitted as standard, so this is what it comes with. If you walk around to the front, you'll also note this is the largest grille ever fitted to an Aston Martin, paired with the largest badge ever fitted. So that's visually impressive when you look at it as well. If you come around to the side, beautiful flush fit door handles we've retained, frameless door glass, very beautiful. Plenty of space in the rear, and we'll get to that in a bit. But if we come around to the back, very reminiscent of the Vantage with the deck lid, right? So it has a beautiful sporty feel. You'll notice one key feature, there's no rear wiper. So how this actually works is this spoiler channels air in to continuously keep the rear window clear in the wet. So that's a pretty tricky feature. In the back, if you option it, gesture control opening, power tailgate, power open and close. You cannot get that feature if you have the carbon pack. That's an important note. The sensors don't work with the carbon, but it is available as optioned here. So you have significant amount of settings for height control. You can actually control the height of the vehicle from the luggage compartment. So you have 45 millimeters of travel upward from standard, 50 millimeters travel downward from standard. So it's quite the range. So if we take a look inside the car, very familiar Aston Martin design, beautiful leather, stitching, perforations. All of this can be customized by Q, of course. You'll notice the knurling on the HVAC controls, beautiful metal, all very pleasing to the touch. One of the things you'll notice is the amount of space that you have underneath the center console. Wide open space for your luggage, purses, any storage that you want. Center console, deep storage here. This is a pretty tricky accessory. Temperature control for your beverages. You can control it here or with an app on your phone. So that's pretty neat. Deep pockets in the doors. Beautiful metals as well on the handles, on the speaker covers as well. Finished with leather, so no plastic or metal speaker covers. They're all leather now, which is beautiful. Few tricky features you have when you're actually driving as well. This is the first Aston that has active cruise control. Also, autonomous emergency braking intervention, which is a pretty cool feature, so it's a much safer safety development. If you look up, panoramic glass, the entire length of the roof. It's that beautiful glass house effect above your head. Plenty of headspace. If you get in the back seat though, you really want to highlight how much space you actually have in this car. So myself, I'm 5'10". I fit very comfortably back here. We've had people that are above 6 feet get in this car. There's still room, plenty of space above their head. There's a lot of room in these back seats. They're all heated as standard. You can option ventilation on front and rear seats if you choose to, but they're heated as standard. And just take a look at the detail on the rear seats. You don't often see this much craftsmanship in the rear of the vehicle. Business end's usually just the front. Beautiful stitching, perforations, even the roof finished in beautiful leather in the back. Extremely well done. Very, very Aston Martin. Under the hood, you have a V8 twin turbo, developed in partnership with AMG, Mercedes. So you have 550 horsepower, 700 Newton meters of torque. The SUV also comes with an active center differential, so you can split torque front to rear. 100% can go to the rear and up to 50% in the front. You have an electronic differential in the rear with torque factoring by braking, so this should be pretty awesome to drive.
Thanks guys so much for watching. That was a little walk around of the pre-production DBX, which you can come and see at the Boston Auto Show January 16th through the 20th, and probably meet these guys, and I'll be there too. So anyway, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.